Welcome to Law Firm News at Law Tube. To begin with the Law Firm News on Sunday 24 May 2020, Indus Law partner Anupam Prasad has set up an independent firm called AP Law Chambers. Anupam Prasad has joined Indus Law Partners with his team in 2016 from RDA Legal. The 2006 NUJS Kolkata graduate has said he has taken office space in a co-working space in Mumbai's One India Bull Center with presence in Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad and Singapore, including via associates. Mr. Prasad said that he had a good bunch of people to work together and be associated with the AP Law banner, whom he has known for a while. Plans were still developing. The thought is to have a lean and an agile team and hopeful cater to almost all areas of legal work that a client may need assistance on advisory, transaction, dispute resolution, he explained. Mr. Prasad said that he had decided to start the firm before the COVID-19 outbreak and lockdown in India. So a lot of homework had happened prior to the start and that the pipeline of the next 4 to 5 months were nevertheless strong at the moment. Mr. Prasad said that there is work still coming in and we have few mandates as well. So as of now we are adequate engaged, and he said nothing that works and invoices over the past 1.5 months has been good. Of course, if these clients decide not to proceed with their plan, then yes, I guess we need to work harder, he joked. Mr. Prasad said that he will continue to provide service to some of his clients who moved with him post Indus, and in past couple of months he developed new clientele as well, both in advisory and transaction space. Mr. Prasad said that AP Law Chambers could offer a good value proposition and was focused on further building out the pipeline of future work. Mr. Prasad said that in fact, with all humility, we have had engaged wherein clients have expressed their eagerness to work with Tier 1 lawyers but not with Tier 1 fees. Mr. Prasad said that I am fairly bullish and confident that services from lawyers such as us who have moved out from traditional career path will be more in demand, especially under the current circumstances, and we will be in a position to provide more value to clients. Coming to next law firm news, New Delhi Center for Sight Limited NDCFS acquired 2 eye care centers from Patni Healthcare Limited. Alpha Partners advised New Delhi Center for Sight Limited, led by partner Akshat Pandey, senior associate Richa Hingle and lawyer Sriya Solanki. Coming to next law firm news, Greystrip Software Private Limited, which provides cloud-based human resource and payroll management software to small and medium businesses, has raised rupees 34.5 crore, that is 4.9 million, in its Series C round of funding from Info Edge India Limited. IC Universal Legal advised Greystrip Software Private Limited, led by a team of senior associate Janani Dinesh, associate Aishwarya Mahesh and associate Adib Shah. Coming to next law firm news, Mumbai-based digital therapeutic startup Wealthy Therapeutics said it has raised 4 million, around 30 crores from Sama Capital as part of its pre-series A round for 16% stake in the company. Samvad Partners advised Sama Capital, led by a team of partner Nivedita Nivargi, senior associate Lakshmi Kishore and associate Vinita Stephen. So that's all in today's Law Firm News at LawTube. If you have enjoyed LawTube videos, please don't forget to like and share them. For more similar law news videos, subscribe to our LawTube channel. See you again on next video.